to the channel. It's me once again, Ibu Augustus. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your easy Minecraft videos like this. See that channels like this, Minecraft horror stories, they make a lot of money there. You see the views that they get. Imagine putting this, you're gonna earn a lot of the monetization benefits. So to make this video, stay with me throughout. And before we continue, I want you to like and subscribe to this video. So now the first thing you're gonna do is set your ChatGPT application so that you get a script for this, and then you're gonna go over to where you have your horror story, or you can easily ask ChatGPT for it. I'll just be going to have my own script here. You just copy it. You're gonna copy your what you want to put there. You copy everything. Then when you finish copying it, you're gonna convert it from text to voice. Converting from text voice, go to Chrome and go to application. You can use 11 labs or anyone you want, but me, I'm gonna be using this free application called Low Voice. Low Voice has perfect voices that I like and does not have all these VPN problems that 11 labs have. So you put your selected voice, gonna verify you for some time, and then once it generates, you see you're going to already have your voice.
Later, the lights in room 6 flicker on the cameras. She calls the room. Instead of a voice, she hears wet chewing. Then a whisper. Come upstairs. On the monitor, the man is standing in the hallway. His jaw hangs open, way too wide. Behind him, something crawls on the floor.
So you're gonna choose your Minecraft background. You can easily download that from YouTube or any Bixby, Pinterest. Just click it, this 2 minutes video that I have, and then you're gonna take it with your CapCut editor. You're gonna take it to CapCut editor. Then here, once the video loads, you see the Minecraft is playing very easy. So you're just gonna check it around for any mistake, anything you want to correct, or you can easily add your just add unmute it first so that the sound it comes from won't play. Then you're gonna go to your sound. You click sounds, and then you're gonna go to the folder icon. Then you go to device. Then you look for your selected this thing.
Night shift at a motel. A man checks in. No bags. No smile. Just cash. He wants room 6. Later, the lights in room 6 flicker on the cameras. She calls the room. Instead of a voice, she hears wet chewing.
So you're gonna generate your custom voice and just generate the captions so that it will be easy for people to read. Then once generating, you see 97, it doesn't take long. And once the captions is generated, you just play it and you see that it can really come. You can also edit it by clicking style.
At a motel.
You click style button so that you edit more of it, change things about it. You can also edit this thing. You just click the yellow button for so that I want the color to be yellow, and then I'm gonna just continue.
Night shift at a motel. A man checks in. No bags. No smile. Just cash. He wants room 6.
Then you're gonna click out and remove the parts that you're not going to use. You just click it and split and delete it. Since you're not using that particular part, you click everything, click the video, then split it. Then once the split button appears, you just delete everything since you're not going to be using it for this tutorial. And make sure you also change the aspect ratio so that it will be exactly for which social media you're going to use it for. So when you are done, check everything whether it's good, check it to be your taste, and you're gonna click on the export button on top. Just click on it and it's going to export quickly. So you can also share it to any social media I want. And here's the video that
A
I
man
created.
checks in. No bags. No smile. Just cash. He wants room 6. Later, the lights in room 6 flicker on the cameras. She calls the room. Instead of a voice, she hears wet chewing. Then a whisper. Come upstairs. On the monitor, the man is standing in the hallway. His jaw hangs open, way too wide. Behind him, something crawls on the floor, too many limbs. Silence. Then a phone rings. Not the front desk. The phone from room 6. She turns, it's already off the hook. A voice hisses. I'm already here. The lights go out.